everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Kimmy from Kimmy Add Sparkle. I'm an independent consultant for Close to My Heart, and looky what we've got today. We've got an unboxing. Okay, well, we might as well get straight into it. Okay, so this is just a little order I did recently. Alright, let's open it up. Alright, I'll just take out the packing slip because we don't need that. Alright, so we've got packaging. They always package it really nicely. Alright, so I've got a few things. I'll start with this one. This one here was a complimentary free gift from Close to My Heart, because what happened was some of the orders have gone missing due to COVID-19. However, mine didn't go missing. It was just stuck in Los Angeles for about 3 weeks, I think, and then eventually it came through got to Australia, and yeah, so it took probably about 6 weeks. But Close to My Heart, because they are such a lovely company, has sent through this free gift. So yeah, so this is not available at the moment. This one was in our last catalogue, so yeah, I'll have a great time playing with that one. More tri-blend markers. This one is a dull green and an ice blue, so I can show you my collection. These are all the colours I've got so far, and obviously I'll add 2 more on there, so I'll end up with 7 more to go, and then I'll have the whole set of the tri-blend markers, so that's fun. Alright, the other stamp set that I've got here, sneak peek, this one is actually the July stamp of the month. So this is not available until July, but because I'm a consultant, I get to check it out first. This here is the stamp and thin cuts for the party time. That's in our current catalogue. That'll be fun. I've got a birthday card I need to make, so I might use that one. And this here is the thin cuts for the new tags stamp set that's coming out. That'll actually be the stamp of the month for June, and they coordinate with that. My very lucky last. Alright, we'll just move the box out of the way. This here is it's called Reflections. It's a scrapbooking program. It's got patterns in there. It's currently on clearance on my website, so if you do want to go and have a look at it, it's great. I'll just have a quick flick through. So it's got all these different patterns and things that you can do, and yeah, so that's what was in my order. So I do hope that maybe you'll go and check some of these things out. Thanks for watching and subscribing, and I will see you next time. Bye.